Introducing SK Fitness, your trusted partner in treadmill maintenance and repair. Is your treadmill belt showing signs of wear and tear? Don't let a worn-out belt derail your fitness journey. Our expert technicians are here to ensure your treadmill runs smoothly and efficiently. With precision and care, we remove the old belt and install a brand new, high-quality replacement. At SK Fitness, we understand the importance of quality craftsmanship and reliable service. Experience the difference with SK Fitness. Get ready to enjoy seamless workouts once again. Contact us today to schedule your treadmill maintenance and belt replacement service. SK Fitness, keeping you on track towards your fitness goals.